Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. Before beginning, always prioritize safety. First, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shock. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. Having all your tools ready, such as a serpentine belt tool and various wrenches, will make the job much smoother and more efficient. This preparation is crucial for a successful repair. Now let's get to the alternator. You'll need to locate the serpentine belt tensioner, which is usually a spring-loaded pulley. Using your serpentine belt tool, apply pressure to release the tension. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. This action provides the necessary access to the alternator itself, preparing it for removal and making the next steps easier. With the belt off, it's time to disconnect the alternator. First, unclip all electrical connectors and remove the main battery cable attached to the alternator. Next, you'll need to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. Once these bolts are out, carefully work the old alternator free from its mounting bracket. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. Now for the new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the main battery cable. Then, reroute the serpentine belt correctly around all pulleys, ensuring it's seated properly. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable, start your engine, and verify that the charging system is working as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.